What's up, everyone? I hope you are doing fantastic. Today, I want to ask the question, were the disciples blind? The reason I'm asking this, obviously they weren't, but the reason I'm asking this is because of John chapter 6, verse 16 through 21. It reads, "When evening came, his disciples went down to the sea, got into a boat, and started across the sea to Capernaum. It was now dark, and Jesus had not yet come to them. The sea became rough because a strong wind was blowing. When they had rowed about 3 or 4 miles, they saw Jesus walking on the sea and coming near the boat, and they were frightened. But he said to them, 'It is I, do not be afraid.' Then they were glad to take him into the boat, and immediately the boat was at the land to which they were going." So this obviously is a reference to Job 9 verse 8, if I could just find it.
1 hour later.
Job 9 verse 8 reads, "Who alone stretched out the heavens," referring to God, "and trampled the waves of the sea." And this is insane. And the reason why is this passage, these few verses, they are after Jesus feeds the 5,000, where he takes scarcity and he makes abundance. This is after Jesus healed in chapter 5 at the pool on the Sabbath. And that is after Jesus healed the official son in chapter 4. The disciples witnessed these things and they were frightened to see Jesus walk on the water. And yet he came to them and he had compassion. He did not rebuke them. He did not become angry at them. He was compassionate and understanding and reassuring. And this is the Christ we serve. If we run to him, put our trust fully in him, he will accept us, he will take us, and then he will sanctify us progressively. Praise be to the name of the Lord.
Drop a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.